Workshop and industrial facility floors take some of the heaviest abuse in any environment. Heavy machinery, forklifts, tool drops, spilled lubricants, grindings, and constant foot traffic all wear down standard concrete fast. When floors are not built for these demands, problems start showing up quickly. Cracks, surface breakdown, slip hazards, and unplanned downtime become part of your daily routine. At CustomCrete, we specialize in flooring systems designed specifically for industrial workspaces. Our high-performance coatings and resurfacing solutions are built to withstand tough conditions while staying easier to clean and maintain. Let's take a closer look at what makes these floors different. First, load resistance is critical. In a workshop, the floor needs to handle forklifts, carts, storage racks, and heavy impact from tools and equipment. Bare concrete chips, cracks, and deteriorates under pressure. Our flooring systems are engineered for high load bearing strength and impact resistance, keeping your surface safe and dependable even under constant use. Next, think about chemical and abrasive exposure. Workshop floors are exposed to oils, solvents, cutting fluids, metal shavings, and grindings, dust almost every day. If the surface is not sealed properly, those substances soak into the concrete. That leads to stains, structural damage, and slip hazards that get worse over time. CustomCrete's epoxy and urethane cement systems resist chemical penetration, staining, and abrasion. That keeps your floors functional, safer, and much easier to clean. Now let's talk maintenance. A good floor should not take hours to clean every shift. Our coatings are seamless and non-porous, which means spills do not soak in and debris does not get trapped in cracks or joints. That reduces cleaning time, lowers labor costs, and helps extend the life of your flooring investment. Safety is another major factor. Damaged or uneven floors increase the trip hazards and can even damage rolling equipment like carts and forklifts. Our durable finishes help reduce those risks and support compliance with workplace safety standards. At CustomCrete, we do not take a one-size-fits-all approach. We evaluate your specific environment, traffic patterns, chemical exposure, and maintenance goals. Then we recommend the right flooring system based on your actual needs. That might be a heavy-duty epoxy, a urethane cement system, or another industrial-grade surface. Investing in the right floor today helps you avoid costly repairs and downtime tomorrow. It also helps you protect your people, your workflow, and your bottom line. You manage a machine shop, a fabrication space, a technical training facility, or any other industrial operation, we'll help you choose and install a flooring system that stands up to the daily abuse and keeps your operation running smoothly. Subscribe for practical industrial flooring guidance, Midwest project showcases, and expert insight you can actually use.